Hey everyone, welcome back to Locally Hosted. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sam. We cover AI, machine learning, and dev tools.
Today we're looking at Build 2026. Microsoft is pushing hard.
They want Windows to be the trusted platform for local AI agents.
That's huge. Agents running locally without cloud dependency?
Exactly. They're introducing the MXC SDK for policy-driven containment.
MXC? Like a sandbox? How does it actually work?
It's an execution layer. You declare what an agent can access.
Files, network, and enforces that at runtime?
Yes, dynamic isolation based on intent and risk levels.
So if an agent tries to go rogue, it gets cut off?
Precisely. It's OS-enforced containment. No workarounds.
This solves the biggest fear: local agents eating my data.
They're integrating Defender, Entra, and Intune into this.
Wait, so enterprise IT can control local agents too?
Yes, Agent 365 native integration starts in July preview.
What about existing tools, like OpenClaw?
OpenClaw runs natively on Windows via MXC. It's open source.
And NVIDIA? Are they jumping in too?
NVIDIA's OpenShell uses MXC for autonomous agents.
So the ecosystem is aligning around this security standard?
It looks that way. Secure by design, not an afterthought.
But what powers these agents locally? Cloud isn't needed?
They announced AI 1.0 Instruct and AI 1.0 Plan.
SLMs, smaller language models, running on my machine?
Yes, AI 1.0 Plan does reasoning and tool calling locally.
Fully local agentic capabilities? That's the dream.
Available in coming months, expanding to CPUs and GPUs.
Does this mean I don't need a massive GPU cluster?
Not necessarily. Speech-to-text works on NPUs and CPUs.
Video super resolution on CPUs? That's impressive.
Rich experiences without cloud round trips. Zero latency.
What about the dev experience itself? Is it frictionless?
Windows Dev Config sets up VS Code, WSL, Copilot.
One command? Seriously, that's a game changer.
Yes, powered by Winget. Distraction-free environment.
And core utils for Windows? Still going.
Yes, generally available, Linux-like utilities natively on Windows.
WSL containers built in? No more manual setup?
Built-in way to create and run Linux containers. Coming soon.
This feels like Microsoft is finally getting the basics right.
They're reducing cognitive load. Shell, Explorer, Search.
But what about hardware? Do I need new gear?
Surface RTX Spark DevBox. Up to 1 petaflop AI compute.
128GB unified memory? That's a beast of a box.
Purpose-built for devs. NVIDIA RTX Spark Silicon.
So you can buy the hardware or use your own.
Both. APIs expand to more Windows 11 PCs generally.
Windows 365 for agents is GA? Cloud PCs for agents?
Yes. Managed cloud PCs for enterprise workflows.
So local security and cloud flexibility. Got it.
Exactly. No trade-offs between speed and safety.
This changes how we think about local AI infrastructure.
It makes local first, not just a fallback option.
The Aeon models are key: smaller, faster, smarter.
Right. They enable fully local agentic capabilities.
I'm excited to test MXC with OpenClaw soon.
It's open source. You can set up your own claws.
This is the future of secure, local development.
And it's happening now, not 5 years away.
Subscribe to Locally Hosted for more deep dives.
Original source is linked in the description.
Stay local, stay secure. See you next time.
Bye everyone. Keep building securely.